You know, we said earlier that a lot of things are going on in Square 91 right now. And now Jorge, Mickey, probably you recognize Jose right now, right there. They are installing the doors and windows of the church at Square 91. So they work on these windows at the shop at Messiah campus, and now they brought them to the church and they will install it in a few minutes. And we are filming this video to thank you for your help. Thank you for your great support to our ministry, to our church right here, and we really appreciate all you do for us. We're gonna look for Pastor Victor. He has a few words to say to all of you. So here we have Pastor Victor. He is the man of God in this community, serving in this church, and he has a few words to say to all of you today.
Bueno, que el Señor le bendiga, ¿verdad?
May God bless you.
Estamos contentos con ya verdad que se está terminando de poner la ventana y la puerta.
We are so happy that in this week the ministry is being able to install the windows and doors.
Sí, creemos que es una enorme bendición, ¿verdad? Ya que en otros tiempos nosotros teníamos grandes dificultades aquí con la lluvia.
We believe this is a great blessing. Before, we used to have a lot of issues with the rain.
Sí, pero hoy, ¿verdad? Le damos infinitas gracias, primeramente a Dios y después a esas manos bondadosas que han permitido pues, que nosotros podamos estar en condiciones dignas.
And today, we want to thank God first of all. He deserves all the honor and glory, and we want to thank you to every hand, to every person who has made this possible.
Sí, que el Señor les siga bendiciendo, ¿verdad? Su trabajo, sus finanzas, su familia, y les cuide ahorita en este tiempo de enfermedades.
May God bless you, may God protect you, that He blesses your finances, your families, and may God protect you as well in this time of virus and other diseases.
Sí, no nos cansamos ya, ¿verdad? Ya para finalizar, no nos cansamos nosotros de darle gracias a Dios y a ustedes que son, ¿verdad?, un corazón noble y como nosotros.
And we don't get tired of thanking you for being so good to us. God bless you.